can do to like to hinder you. Yeah, someone is embarrassed. Yeah, I'm also getting money. Someone doesn't expect you to someone expects you to like not have anything. Yeah, let me see something. Oh shit. So good news. The Six of Wands is a confirmation. I see you getting the job, getting the opportunity. The Six of Cups, I see you also coming into contact with a lot of soulmate energies. Ace of Swords, genuine energies, pure energies. Knight of Wands, okay? I'm still getting that animal ritual thing. Someone's animal may pass away. It's a part of some type of ritual, okay? We have the Five of Wands, the Lovers, and then the Devil. Someone is competing with you because they know that swords, like without you knowing. Yeah, the Empress, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Chariot. Whatever someone's trying to steal is being blocked from them, being blocked from their thievery. Someone is not allowed to steal